The phantom time hypothesis, introduced by Heribert Illig in 1991, asserts that almost 300 years of our history, specifically from 614 to 911 AD, were fabricated. Illig argues that this period, including the Carolingian era and the life of Charlemagne, never existed. The core evidence includes the scarcity of archaeological findings from this era, discrepancies in calendar systems, and overlapping historical events that suggest a compression of timelines. One major point is the adoption of the Gregorian calendar in 1582 by Pope Gregory XIII to correct the Julian calendar's drift. Illig posits that the 10 days removed during this correction should have been significantly more if the documented history was accurate, implying that centuries might have been fabricated to align historical events with this calendar reform. Moreover, architectural evidence from the supposed phantom period is suspiciously scarce. Many buildings attributed to this time show construction styles and techniques inconsistent with the era. Furthermore, documentary evidence from neighboring civilizations during these centuries is either missing or highly contradictory. Proponents of the hypothesis also point to the sudden and mysterious rise of the Holy Roman Empire, which seems to have no clear and consistent documentation from prior centuries. Critics, however, argue that the hypothesis overlooks much corroborative evidence from various disciplines, including astronomy, dendrochronology, and independent historical records from China and the Islamic world, which do not support such a chronological gap. Despite the criticism, the phantom time hypothesis challenges us to consider the reliability of historical documentation and the power structures that shape our understanding of the past. Could it be that 297 years of history were invented to serve political or religious agendas?